You won't believe the transformation. I've seen an incredible change in my husband since he tried the honey trick. Let me tell you, I was skeptical at first when he came to me all excited about this simple trick he had heard about. He's tried so many things before, diets, exercise programs, even some expensive supplements, and nothing seemed to work. But this time was completely different. He started the honey trick, and within just a few days, we could both feel something was changing. His energy levels shot up, and he wasn't feeling that constant sluggishness that always seemed to drag him down. The bloating that made him so uncomfortable, gone. And then the weight started to come off. At first I thought maybe it was just water weight, but week after week the numbers on the scale kept dropping. What really surprised me was how easy it was for him to stick with it. Unlike all the other things he's tried, the honey trick didn't involve any complicated rules or unbearable restrictions. It's just a simple, natural method that works with your body, not against it. And it's not just about the weight loss. It's the confidence he's gained, the glow in his skin, and the way he carries himself now. He even said he feels younger than he has in years. The best part? You can learn this amazing method right now. But let's be real, this trick isn't easy to get right. That's why they developed Nitrox Pro, a simple, powerful solution designed to boost blood flow and restore confidence effortlessly. Stocks are running low, so don't wait. Click the first link in the description now and secure yours before it's too late.